Hi, my name is Val, and you're watching Videos About Life. Today we're going to do another unboxing, or as you can see in this case, 2 boxes. Still trying to get ready for my 2-week road trip adventure. These are items that a lot of videos have. They have them in much better quality and everything, but like I said before, I'm not exactly sure what I want yet, so I went a little bit more on the cheaper side. And I'm not even sure if I'm going to use them, but how I will have them, and I could try them out, and I can see if I like it. So it's a camp stove and the butane to go with it, and came in a few days ago, but I wanted to wait until I was ready to make the video. So let's see what we got here. Okay, this of course is the stove in a box, and as always, another box. Okay, so we have more unboxing to do. All right, let's see. Okay. All right, and inside this box, it looks like we have a little case for our stove. Okay, let's see if we can get it open. Aha! Instructions. As we all know, instructions are always good. Probably going to have to read those. Let's put it down here for now. But, so this is what it looks like inside the stove. All right. It's a butane stove. And part of my trip, I might not even be able to use it because, from what I understand, butane doesn't work well in high altitudes, and I am going to Colorado, so I don't know if I'll be able to use it there. All right, so this is what it looks like. Here's the case. I'm assuming we're not going to use it in the case. Probably should read. Aha, there we go. It's going to go down on that side. There we go. There's our little knobs and instructions. And all right, let me just put the case down for a minute. Okay. Take a quick look at the instructions. All right, I got all that part right. Now it looks like this side, let's see, just flips open. Okay. I've never used a butane before. I'm going to take that off for a minute. Okay. Container is covered by a large pan near inflammable. Aha, there we go. All right. So, and that's what the inside of that looks like. All right. Now we'll cut open the other one, which should be the butane canisters that I ordered. It says fragile. I plan on being careful with it. I guess we could put that back on for now. There we go. Okay, there. Try not to cut myself. I don't want to do that before my trip, right? Also, I still have to go to work today, so going in bleeding all over the place is probably not a great thing to do. Oh yeah, got to have the peepers, of course, to see everything. All right, this one's not quite packaged as nicely as you can see, but there you go. I got 4 canisters of butane fuel. Okay, and oh, my shipping label. Okay. All right, so I'm going to see what I have to do with this, and then I'll be right back and we can see together if it works. Okay, I got it figured out now. Sorry, got the phone so I could see that everything is still in line. I have the program on my phone so I can line everything up. All right, so we did put it all right. So this part here has to go under this part right here, and then it'll just sit in there, okay? All right, so, oh yeah, and you can see maybe that there's a little hole right there. Hope I got that lined up right. Okay, so I'm going to put that in there and line it up. And then we're going to, oh, don't got it right. Okay, there we go. All right, now that little spring-loaded thing goes inside that little C compartment. All right. And then when we do that, we push this lock button down. And that's going to lock the can in place just like that. See, now it's nice and secure. Okay, from there, we'll close it up so that when the flame does come on, it's not going to come over here and hopefully set the can on fire, or hopefully won't set the can on fire. Okay, now, so from here, can you see this? Let's see. All right, I think I'm going to have to angle it down just a little bit more. Sorry about all this. All right, there we go. Okay, so now from here, now we're going to turn it. We can start to hear it hiss, and from there we can click it on. And I can hear the flame, but because it's so bright and sunny out, you can't see it. But let's see, if I put my pan on there, okay, you still can't see it, but I can assure you that it is on. I don't know if you can hear the flame or not. All right, and so I got this because I have a little, let me turn it back off now. Okay, there we go. And oh yeah, that's hot. I'll just put this down here for now so that nothing happens. And I'm just going to quickly disassemble it. Hopefully. Okay, and take the can back out. That way we know no more butane will go in there. And I'll put the cap back on for now. Okay, so I have a little tiny camp stove that I've used when I've gone backpacking. But I wanted something a little bit bigger so that, yep, back in frame. I could put a real frying pan on it and not just the little camp pots. I'm sorry, not just the little camp pots. And I can even put a bigger frying pan than this. I just wanted to grab this one real quick for the demonstration. If I'm at a primitive campsite or maybe even a rest area where they allow open fires, I can cook something if I want to. I've thought about a charcoal grill as well, but then I have to worry about making sure all the charcoal is put out, and that's more weight I have to carry. So again, I'm going to try this out and we'll see if it works. We'll see if I like it. Of course, I'll come back and let everybody know how I feel about it. But for now, that's our unboxing for today. I'm going to be able to pack it up now. And all right, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you got anything from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. And until the next time, I hope all of your adventures are fantastic ones.